In this guide, we will explore the 2025 Kia EV6 fuse box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 Kia EV6? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel provides easy access to essential vehicle fuses for quick maintenance and troubleshooting. It is conveniently located near the driver's seat for accessibility. Each fuse is clearly labeled to ensure accurate identification and replacement. Motor compartment fuse panel. The motor compartment fuse panel houses essential fuses for engine and critical electrical systems. It ensures proper functioning by protecting circuits from overloads. Conveniently located, it allows easy access for troubleshooting and replacing blown fuses when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.